At Ryder, we know the value you place on increasing uptime and controlling maintenance costs. That's why we created Ryder Mobile Maintenance, giving you a convenient and reliable maintenance solution that maximizes uptime. You're no longer limited to service that is performed only between 8 and 5, or extra downtime from taking vehicles to service facilities. You simply schedule your maintenance for when your trucks are idle, even in the middle of the night, and they'll be ready to roll in the morning. Ryder Mobile Maintenance brings our best-in-class maintenance and expert technicians, trained and certified to work on any type of vehicle, as well as new engine technology, to your location. Our maintenance vehicles are a state-of-the-art service facility on wheels, equipped with the same diagnostic tools as our service facilities, and the equipment needed to complete the industry's most comprehensive 150-point preventive maintenance service. Along with traditional oil changes, brake service, and inspections, our technicians can view necessary data regarding speeds, engine loads, fuel mileage, idle hours, and regeneration frequency to ensure your vehicles are receiving the required maintenance. You gain full visibility into your fleet through our customer web portal and new Ryder Guide Fleet app. You also have real-time access to estimates and diagnoses that are emailed to you for your approval. With Ryder Mobile Maintenance, you benefit from faster turnaround times, service that is conveniently performed at your location, reduced driver transit time, and predictable maintenance schedule. This unique solution offers you a seamless experience that eases maintenance challenges. Discover how Ryder Mobile Maintenance can improve your fleet performance and maximize uptime today at Ryder.com.